It's too dark though. You can't see nothing, man. Let me see one of those lights. Cause we live in a burnt out house. Is both of them working? Alright. We live. Let's see what we can see. I gotta video this because I guess that's the easiest way to document this thing for me. So let's see here. It's like you gotta replace all windows. 1, 2, 3, and this big bay window. These couches gotta get thrown out. The fire started in the kitchen and leaked its way through everything, it looks like. Like they really stopped it kind of good, I guess, but when a house catches on fire, it's never good in the hood. I mean, they burnt everything up, even the fixtures. Hope nobody died in here. The refrigerator. You want to buy houses, huh? What can you do with this puppy? Right, that headboard didn't get no flames on it? On point. What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's see what else this looks like back in here. That's some carpet or something. Is this carpet that burnt up, I guess?
Yeah.
You don't even know.
That's why all this stuff is on the floor. It's not just from the...
Oh, okay. This is the, I guess, the master bedroom? Yeah, I don't know, man. That must need a lot. Look at LeRon with his lights.
Yeah. I'm over here kind of feeling bad.
And this is the second bedroom. It only got part of the ceiling, but all they got to be redone. This whole, almost the whole house will have to be redone. The flames did not play.
Stop.
The bathroom, actually the whole upper level. Who was that outside? Oh, the trash man. Like, who's that rolling up with a big truck? You want to sit on this couch? I got a love seat and a sofa for sale. You want to buy it? You did. What was this, though? Oh, this was another chair? It must have took the brunt of the fire.
Yeah, because it came from right here. You could tell where it came.
Yeah, all of this had to be redone. I mean, I guess this wood is still good. I don't know. This beyond my scope of repair.
Honestly, I don't even think this is what the story is, because this is a little too more. I mean, a little more than what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to hit the kitchen and spread into the living room and go out. It went everywhere.
I mean, but where did it start?
It didn't start in that kitchen, G.
Yeah, it would have been.
I think that oven would have been gone. All that. It had to be somewhere else.
I mean, was it an electrical fire? I mean, look at the wires.
This shit melted.
Dead giveaway. The fridge took some pure flame on it.
Yeah.
It's a nice fridge, man. Got that stainless steel.
That stainless steel. That motherfucker.
It is gray.
Work.
It is gray. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. We live. That's how we do it. I guess that's all I can show. Yeah, all of these walls got to be redid. Every one of them.
Yeah.
There's no way around it. So it's basically the whole upper level. What you think the basement look like?
I don't even know if I want to go there. The window in the back open.
Really?
Somebody bust out the window.
Welcome to the loo, baby.
Like even the drywall.
No, they got a thing on it. They got a gate on it. Everybody can't even get in there if they wanted to.
The window open on the side of their gate though. It's like a slide.
So somebody been sleeping in a burnt out house? Hey, it's a house, man. Actually, yeah, why them clothes right there?
Anybody down here?
He gonna say anybody down here? Yeah, we down here. We good. Y'all brought me some McDonald's.
I got some food. It's probably all animals down there. From where? Man, this shit smell like it started down here.
Really?
That's what it smelled like. You remember that smell we smelled before we opened the door?
Yeah.
It was like, yeah, that's some fire shit right there.
Yeah.
This is a little more. I don't got no gun or nothing, so.
I do. So let the mug jump out. You just show yourself now.
I'm telling you.
Oh, you talking about this little window right here?
Yeah.
Like, who gonna squeeze to that little bitty baby window?
Everything and any animal.
Is it pitch black dark down there too?
Hell yeah. That's why.
Well, that's why we got lights, man.
You go ahead and come down in front.
No, I'm good. I'm just gonna do a quick pan with this video. Yeah, look kind of rough down here, but put your hand in front of your face and walk to that web.
Okay, the basement.
It's straight. Is that a room?
This is a washroom. Oh, okay.
Your whole live went out.
Okay, it was a reflection.
So actually, the basement didn't get touched for real.
The basement's pretty cool. It wasn't nothing with the furnace.
So what made the fire really start? It had to been upstairs.
Man.
That's the only place clear. And you got a little vise, a washer, dryer.
This is actually a very nice home. And an extra room.
How much you think it'll take to get it back to standard?
Shit.
30,000.
Drywall.
What's this? An extra bedroom?
That's what I said.
It's the best room in the house right here. Somebody living here? No, this burnt out. This house burnt out. Ain't nobody living in here. Oh, I got a little bar in there. Okay, I see. The storage area. So fixed up.
It's not a bad home.
But you got to fix the whole upstairs.
The whole upstairs just need to be fixed.
The whole thing. He said it was the kitchen and the living room.
It went all
That's the whole upstairs.
It's a whole room. The living room is gone. Fuck just the kitchen. The kitchen is more intact than the damn living room.
But then you got to do all the ceilings and everything over too.
Facts.
The whole.
Walls. You got, first of all, that ceiling is the main attraction.
That ceiling and dead. Look at that ceiling. It's dead.
And it goes all the way into the other room. That makes it even worse.
So what? The fire department just bust up in this mug and start putting all them flames out, huh?
Yep.
Them boys bad.
You'll need a new beam. Your whole ceiling, you need a whole new ceiling.
So these beams are no good too?
Hell no.
You can't use these black beams? That's that new shit.
Man, that shit for the fall. This is me doing it. Yep, that's my cue.
LeRon said he had enough, so he done. I guess we done, y'all. I'm finna finish the rest of my research here. If you didn't know, this dude buys houses. It's probably reversed what y'all looking at, but dude, I buy houses. So we're gonna take a look at the rest of this. Oh yeah, we're on live. What you thought we was on?
What's up, everybody?
Yeah, it was about 6 people at first, but we about to get up out of here and do some more woke stuff. Okay. Broadcasting live from the burnt out house.
Peace, blessings, and have a positive day.
That's how we do it, man. Do what you do. Be who you be. And I'll see you before you see me. Peace out.